Hello everyone, welcome to Good Earnings. In this video, we'll discuss the news updates of yesterday's and today's and what market is and what is the next, what we can expect from the market. We can see a great fall yesterday's in mid and small cap companies. But when we see a large cap companies, they are stable. Nifty closed with a positive. And when we see in our portfolio, we got a great fall in our stocks. Why? Because there is a very panic and a lot of people sell the stake in mid and small cap companies. That what we want to see for next. And today it is very positive when we see the market. What we want to expect from here about the market, we'll discuss here. And this is our Telegram. You can see here, right? We created recently. In that minute to minute updates, you will be getting about the stock news and regarding the stocks and stock market news. It will be getting for you. If you join in this group, it will be benefit for you definitely for sure. Look out this. It will be in the name of Good Earnings. Search with Good Earnings. You will find out. Otherwise, I will keep a link below in the video in the description. You can join from there. Okay. Coming to the news. Okay, coming to the market, what experts are saying is that when the Nifty valuation, when it is a PE ratio about 25 to, here we can see here, 25 to 30, it is very expensive. Okay, when the PE is at 20 to 25, it is expensive, and 15 to 20 is average, and if it is 12 to 15, it is inexpensive, and it is extremely inexpensive. Sorry, below 1. Where we are at the range of here 15 to 20. It is a good time to buy or hold your stocks. It is already fallen heavily in the market. Now we are at the good range to buy the stocks. But we don't know how much it will fall from here. But it might fall up to 10% or more. But when we hold for a long term, like 2 years or more, nearly if you hold for 5 years, definitely you can get a good return from here if you buy or hold the stock. That's about the market. And now see a P yesterday's P is 18.92, but I got an update now. It is around 16.8. We'll discuss about that. Yeah, we all like this. We will be having updates in this channel, sorry, in this group. See, this is the 25 fundamental strong stocks, nearly 52-week low. Okay, when you join the group, you can look here all these stocks related performance of PSB over the last 5 years. All government sector stocks has fallen very much here. That's why I don't prefer government sector companies at all. I will mainly focus on only private sector. SBA only it is very positive here. SBA still it is positive. Most of the experts are saying. And top losers over 5 years, Nifty 500. These are the companies we have. These are all market updates. Coming about the LIC IPO we recently had, right? It's almost 31% down from the IPO price. They are saying that now it is at good valuation. It is at a very low price. And here they gave a overweight and they gave 340. Actually, it is a mistake they got. I got to know that it is 840. That is a mistake they have listed here. They gave a price target of 840 and they gave a buy rating here for LIC, because it is a very good value at that time. At this time, okay, to buy here. And about the market updates, we'll be getting all the news updates of the morning. All this, okay. When you go through this channel group, you will get all these updates, minute to minute updates. Now I will discuss only few which I feel it is good for you, like important for you. Okay. This is all each share, each stock, regarding each stock. What is the news here? Yeah, we will be having a lot of updates in this channel, and regarding here, like which all good and see it is negative for ONGs and oil companies. Why? Because we can see a great crude oil down here. On a Friday, we can see a 6% sharp fall on the crude and nearly 9% fall from the high. Okay. It is very good news for us because when this oil prices are reducing, crude oil, the inflation will reduce, because if oil rate reduce, all the rates will be decreasing, right? All the FMCG goods and every goods it will be decreasing because of the transport cost will be reducing, right? We all know that it is good for the market, and with that, definitely inflation will reduce in US as well. And it is very good news that crude oil is getting reduced, but for oil companies, it is negative news. So avoid oil companies. Okay, I want to say mainly on that. And steel, cement, they are increasing the quantity. I will discuss in the further video. This is all important for the good for this stocks at this moment. Okay, you can go through if you have in the stock a particular stock why it is positive. You can look here, go through, and you can look here. Okay, we will be having all the updates. And yesterday, before opening the market, we'll be showing all this whether it is opening positive or not. Okay, before see, you can see the time 8:56, how the market is going to open. All the updates will be given here on this channel. And these are the top losers in the 5 years, Nifty 500. Already I've shown that, right? 10 IT stocks, IT software stock with highest decrease in FII share, the foreign investor shareholding here. They decreased recently, all the stocks, these stocks. Foreign investors has decreased the stake in Indian markets recently, all know, in all stocks. About the global markets, in the last week we have a fall in all global markets. About commodities, recently all commodities are falling. All iron, zinc, steel, all the things on global indices. And about Vedanta, Vedanta seeks to sell its copper plant in Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. They are selling that. And about Motilal, what is saying about important levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty here. This is all yesterday's news. If you join in that, you can get before the market. Okay. Yeah, I said about the cement stocks and focus with three cement expansion plans. If three cement is increasing the quantity of production, it is negative for remaining cement companies. Why? Because if the margins will be reduced, I will discuss about that one later because it is a very big theory, but it is negative for other companies. Okay, keep in mind. So all we have a lot of news here, and I will discuss only few. Greenlam Industries, in that Asian Paints are adding their funds in the company in Greenlam Industries. That is positive and interesting as well. And Maruti Suzuki announces booking open for all new port and Tiki Brisa. Okay. And coming to IRCTC, they are planned to operate Ramayana Express trains for non-residential Indians, that is for NRIs. Okay, it is going to start from 21st June, which means that is today. And IRCTC plans to target and capture a huge interest in Lord Rama. Okay, spiritual places they are going to visit. IRCTC plans to connect India to Sri Lanka in the second phase of Ramayana Express. In existing first package, Ramayana Express covers parts of Nepal. Okay, in coming months, IRCTC plans to run trains like Buddha, Circuit, Sikkim Special, etc., like spiritual places. Okay, they are planning to develop spiritual places trains there. IRCTC is a very good company. You can look at it is in good valuation as well. About the Birla Soft co-partners with Google Cloud to enable enterprises accelerate their digital transformation journey. So we have a news with Sun Pharma. We have upgraded his rating in pharmaceutical company stock. Recently, brokerage has given upgrades for Sun Pharma. International Air Transport Association sees airlines industry returning to profit in 2023, but airline stocks are not interested any time. There is not a good stocks I feel. Coming to Action Construction, wins large order worth 195 crores, good for Action Construction company. Yes, yesterday I have released a video about a Zomato. I made a brief, not a brief, good analysis about a Zomato shop. You can go through this video and you will be knowing much more about the Zomato, how it has started and what is the future of the company. And about the Biocon, in the morning we got a negative news, so avoid Biocon stock. This is all about the global. At the morning we'll be giving updates here. This is today's updates, morning 8:23 p.m. All these updates about the global market and commodities and and telecom sector is good for that. We will be having like LIC for telecom infra products. That is the good news. And Case International bags order in the railways civil cables. And these all the companies ex dividend dates mentioned here. And this all the stocks 52-week breakout stocks. LTP last 52-week low as of day 26. These are all the stocks here listed here. In the morning before the open market opens. And in globally it is very good here. In global market also it is very positive. And about Vedanta, they gave who is that? JP Morgan gave overweight rating with a target price 499. It is a good for Vedanta. And please avoid metal stock the present situation. They gave a rating, but as I want to tell you, please avoid commodity stocks present situation. All commodities are falling here. That's why I want to say I'm saying this. And coming to this post, 10 best performing small mid-cap stocks aimed the market bloodbath in last month. You can see a great fall in our stock market, but these all stocks has increased this much. You can see 15% to 10% this much. These are mid and small cap companies. But at the present situation, I don't want to tell you to buy these stocks because I don't know all these stocks about the companies. I don't have in my portfolio, but about the post I am showing here. Okay. CLSA on financials, they are positive on banks and about ICICI and SBI are the main topics for them. And life insurance, they said SBI is a good pick for stocks. Okay. These are news about all the companies we can see here. A lot of companies will be updating here. Happiest minds and every news update will be shown here. And CLSA and Pharma, they are very good. They said that it is very reasonable, and they gave 3,450 for planned Pharma target, and for Syngene they gave a buy call on 710 per share target, and Parimal Enterprises 2,250. They said that these stocks are available at reasonable valuation in Pharma stocks. When we go through, yeah. This is the highlighted thing. Biocon's negative, as the sports are negative. Good for banks, telecoms, so and life, all these stocks. So that if you know the updates before itself in the market, it will be definitely adding you, right? It is good for you. If you do an F and go or any stock specifically, if you buy or you want to sell. Here about the market, we can see here the morning, the news. We will be getting a news at 9 before the market opens. We posted here. It is opening very positively. The open gap of we posted here morning. Yeah, about the experts, they will be telling you what is the market from here. If you go through this course, it will be helpful for you. All this course. Feature Motors large trade, 4.37 lakh shares. These are all experts view about the market. Adani Group lost 5.5 lakh crore market cap in the recent fall. Okay, Adani Group companies have lost on average 30% fall. All the shares has fallen at the moment. And we see here market valuation zone. When we see today, the Nifty is in now 16.8x. The estimate 10-year average is also like 16.8. Mid cap 19.9. 10-year 8.3. Small cap 13.4. 10 years 14. We can see a great fall in small and mid cap. Now all this, when you see the PE, it is very good valuation at the moment to buy the stocks. But we want to see whether how the market is reacting. Today it is very positive. Let's see what will happen further. Main thing, we want to reduce the inflation. That is the main point. Now crude price is reducing. Already RBI has increased the rate high. Let's see how the market is reacting. I want to tell you the important news. Why market is good today. That is like Joe Biden. Joe has told that your president in US there won't be an recession. He said gave us a strong statement. That's why the markets are bullish now today. That is the important news I want to say. I forgot. Is missed in one of the posts I have posted here. And we can see this 5 stocks. Is it Brazil, Tata Motors, Metro Brands, Star Health, Titan Company. What is 5 stocks? Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, top 5 stocks holdings, which account for 75% of his portfolio value, roughly at rupees 19,850 crore, have fallen up to 34% from their respective highs and are in bear group. Okay, these all 5 are Rakesh Jhunjhunwala stocks and has fallen recently, nearly 34%. That's what that is showing. He got a loss of 19,850 crore with this fall, but they are big investors. They will hold for a while. After a few days or months, definitely he will cover easily. He will get more than double or triple this amount. So they have a patience. We all should be also having the patience at this tough times. Okay. And bank related RBI has. I will tell you about that scheme. It will explain you in further. The important news that about SBI cards, I want to say you, it is good for SBI cards. Stands to gain on RBI ban on loading PPI. Okay, if you have an SBI cards, we go through that about that. It is positive for SBI cards. Okay, that's it about this updates. If you join in this Telegram, you will get this news as immediately as possible within a minutes. When we come into the market, I will be posting that updates for you in this Telegram. So please join in this Telegram. Subscribe to my channel so that I will make a lot of videos and I will give knowledge for you on the stock market as well. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.